Welcome to the joy of painting. So grab your paints and come right along with us to paint this nice little scene that I have planned out for us today. We're going to start off by mixing some cadmium yellow with some bright red, and we're going to put that right in the sky. We're now going to put our brush in a little bit of yellow ochre and put it right above. And boy, oh boy, was there some bright red on that brush. Now we're just going to dip our brush in a little bit of odorless paint thinner and beat the devil out of it. We're going to dip our brush into a little bit of phthalo blue and a little bit of alizarin crimson to make a nice little lavender. And then we're going to splotch that right on the top. After mixing together some phthalo blue, midnight black, Van Dyke brown, and alizarin crimson, we're just going to put that right onto the canvas. Now you want to push down real hard for this and make your own little mountains however your heart desires. Just make sure that they're looking good. Now let's grab some titanium white and we're going to slap it on that mountain real gentle. Now let's grab some blue and white, mix it together, and slap it on as our shadows. Now while you were gone, all I did was put a little mountain down there and I added a little color down on the bottom. Sorry they couldn't see me do that, but we're just a little bit short on time today. Now I'm just going to put my brush into a little bit of that mountain color and I'm going to splotch it all down here on the bottom. This is going to be the bushes and the trees that we have later. We're just going to drag this down and make happy little reflections. Now let's just add some highlights onto here. Now let's grab a little more of that mountain color and we'll start making the front of the painting. Now we're going to put in the evergreen trees. So grab your fan brush, let's just put a big old line right in the middle of that painting. Now we're just going to go side to side with the paint. After adding those happy little evergreen trees, let's just add the rocks right down on the bottom. So we're just going to grab our knife and slide it right over. Now this is looking like a finished painting. So I'm going to leave you guys with that and say happy painting and God bless.